and welcome to the RJM Core video series. In this episode, we'll explore the oldest and most common outreach method, in-person community workshops. An in-person workshop is a community engagement event in which community members share their thoughts and ideas regarding a specific project. These workshops are designed to identify commonalities and reach a consensus. Ultimately, the consensus is what informs the design and helps create a space that is truly community-inspired.
The process begins with a site tour or background presentation to set the stage on a particular project. Next, community members are given the chance to provide their unique feedback via focus groups and group discussions. In-person workshops allow us to engage with the community face-to-face in real time. By creating this two-way dialogue with the community, we ensure that we are giving participants a voice and empowering them to help shape the environment that they live, work, and play in.
Thank you for watching. Join us for the next Core series launching in July of this year.